Hey, it's Thelisha with Where Baking and Crafting Meet, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making the next most voted craft in the poll from the group. This one is a simple DIY craft. I decided to make a cupcake or dessert dish. This craft cost me about $10. I spent $5.45 at Dollar Tree and $3.57 at Walmart. I was going to get the sunflower plate and bowl because I love sunflowers, but it wouldn't have matched the kitchen. As shown, all you need for this project is a plate, a bowl or glass, a filler, and some E6000. I wanted to get a glass, but for the height of the glass, the plate didn't seem wide enough for the width of the glass. They had taller glasses, but it still wasn't right to me. So the hubs picked the glass bowl. On top of that, my kids are quite the clumsy ones, and this bowl was better than having that one skinny leg. Since he chose the bowl, we had to find something to put in it. I like the thought of the rocks and the sand. Before anyone says, well, the sand and rocks are going to mix up when you move it and clean it. I know, that's why I chose what I chose. It's going to look good separated and mixed up. My daughter suggested water, but I didn't want the hassle of distilled water or glycerin. Plus, glycerin and water would have put this project over $10. I also wanted to put shells in it, but for the life of me, I don't remember where I put them. If you decide to add water to this project, please use distilled water. If you decide to use a glass with a smaller flute and use glycerin, have at it, it all works. With whatever you use, please make sure you use gloves and make sure your glass is clean. You don't want fingerprints in a spot that you can't clean after finishing, or oils to mess with the sealing of your glue. I also wanted to paint it, but I don't have any dishwasher-safe Mod Podge. If you want to paint it, go for it. But if you're putting pretty desserts or candies on it, leave it blank. Better yet, you can buy a decorative plate instead. Now, onto a few corrections and updates from the last video. It hasn't been 200 days since I made a video. It was 200 days since I made that stamp and embellishment video at work. I don't know why I had to wait so long and fight so much to find out if I was actually full-time. I asked about that like 2 months ago, and I'm just getting an answer after I decided to cut days. Issue resolved. Content creating. I'll be posting once a week. I decided that Monday is the best day with the way my days off are going, and it's best for me to post consistently on one day versus 3 to 4 times a week. It was a tad bit stressful, and there were no results. The next video going out will be a cookie video since that's the last voted video. The voted project is my cookie decorating process. It won't be making the dough, baking the cookies, or making the icing. It will be decorating the cookie from start to finish. I plan on making it one of the requested designs from last year. First in line was from Miss Abigail. If anyone is in the group and would like to go back and find that post, feel free to. I'll be doing all the cookies on that list. It won't be on this channel though. I'll share the channel in the group and on my business page. One more question. This is for those that made it this far. Put a heart emoji in your comment if you prefer subtitles in the video like the teacup embellishment video. Alright y'all, until next time, thanks for stopping by.